everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview anyways because there's going to be some online deals that we can definitely do, and there's also going to be some in-store deals if you guys really need to get to the store and grab some things. So I'm going to walk you through it. I again will not be doing a Sunday video, but I will be doing a digital video for you guys, and there is a possible freebie that could be happening soon, so I'm just going to give you guys a heads up with that. So Easter's probably going to come around, and I have a feeling after this whole thing's done and over with, there is going to be a ton of Easter stuff on clearance, just because not everybody's getting out to go buy stuff. So I have a feeling this thing will probably be going till Easter. Hopefully not, but it probably is. And then I'm looking forward to after Easter when we can finally get our fix on Easter clearance, because there's so many cute things that I would like to get. But here they have, it says there's going to be over $1,000 of coupon savings. I don't know if that's just the Walgreens booklet or if it's the app or digital coupons. I don't know until Sunday. But there are going to be some deals of the week. We got Tide for $4.99, and then there's going to be a $2 off, looks like digital coupon or a paper coupon, making them $2.99. There's Scott's, they're usually $5, or buy one get one 50% off. If you guys can get, I know there was some 50% off coupons, or you guys can always go to the Scott's website and print them off. Now there is cereal, Kellogg's cereal looks like it's going to be $1.88, and there's going to be a 50-cent online coupon. Most likely those will not be available to purchase online. You can only do that in the store. So if you guys need some cereal, $1.38, and there's also coupons that you could probably print from the Kellogg's Family Rewards website. And then they also have soft soap and Irish Springs body wash. Now it's going to be $4.99. Now I didn't see any insert coupons coming out for this, so it looks like there's going to be a $1 off coupon. I don't know if there's going to be an individual coupon for soft soap or Irish Spring, or if it's just going to be a combined one. But you get 5,000 points when you buy two. So basically you guys could just use, let's say, $1 off coupon. You would pay $8.98. You would get 5,000 points. Comes out to be $3.98 or just $1.99. Now if there are two different types of digital coupons, you guys would get one for each for $1.50. So there's that. Revlon's going to be 30% off. I'm assuming the Revlon Kiss might be included. Those are usually $4.99. You guys want to buy two of them because they're going to be 30% off. You would pay $6.98 for that. But then they come out. Then you'll get a $5 register reward, making it $1.98 or 99 cents. I would not do this deal online, you guys. You can only do this deal in the store to get the $5 register reward. Coke and Pepsi is buy two at $6.19. You get one free, so that you're paying like $12.40. I can get them cheaper at a different grocery store, but it's all up to you. They got Blue Diamond, buy one get one free. I think those are usually $4.99 or $5.99 a piece. I cannot remember on that. Then here is a, this is actually a pretty decent deal. It is Secret and Old Spice. Now they're going to be 2 for $10. And then you guys would get a $5 register when you buy two of them. So they come out to be just $2.50 a piece. Now we're getting some different types of coupons in the P&G, so there might be some deals. But then again, that's a deal that you guys have to do in the store to get that. But they do have 7-Up products, 3 for $8.99. Same sale it's going on right now. I like it in that product because they come out to be just $2.99. Not the greatest deal, but for me right now it's a pretty decent deal. But a lot of this stuff is all, you know, kind of the same repeat deals. Arm & Hammer again is buy one get one free. Now we're going to see a lot more deals with food. I know this ad was done way before the whole thing came, so we don't know what kind of ads we're going to be having in the future. But, you know, there's some coffee for $2.99. Looks like, you know, eggs are going to be buy one get one free. They have honey and, was it pure vanilla extract for $3.99. Vegetable oil and sugar is going to be $1.99. Vinegar, brown sugar is 99 cents. So there's some good stuff if you guys need, you know, to do some baking goods. When I went to my store the other day, a lot of that stuff was gone. Skippy and jam is going to be buy one get one 50%, or buy one get one free. Then we got macaroni and cheese for just 79 cents. Soup 2 for $5. Ice cream 2 for $8. They got, you know, Parmesan, Prego, Barilla, pasta Pasta noodles, buy one, get one free. So there's some deals with that. Pizza is going to be $3.99 of the Walgreens brand. Then we got some snacks, Pringles 3 for $4, crackers 2 for $4.99. So a lot of these food deals you guys can't, most of them you cannot do online. I think the candy you guys can get online, but it just varies per product and what you're getting. Here they got some deals with, you know, dog food, Ziploc baggies. They got wipes, 2 for $8. Basically, they come out to be like $2 a bottle or a thing, but have fun trying to find them in the stores. Some stores might still have them, but yeah. Then they got Dixie plates, bowls, and cups. Those are usually $3.99. They're currently going to be on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. Comes out to be just $5.98, but then there's going to be a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. Comes out to be $4.98 or $2.49. Do that deal only if you guys really need to. I noticed that sometimes they have them when they're buy one, get one free. So that's usually a better deal. Hefty bags are $6.99. Miss Charlotte says hello in the background. Now this is a deal that they're having all month long, is Dawn dish soap and then like facial tissue of the Nice brand or Complete Home. Those are 99 cents. Clorox wipes and then bleach and all that other stuff is 2 for $5. I do think we have a $1 off a 2 coupon. Now they do have some laundry care for $4.99 and then it comes out to be $3.99 with a $1 off digital coupon. Toilet paper, it's really hard to say if there's even going to be anything available online or in the stores. People are just hoarding it like crazy. But there's Glade and Airwick for $4.99 in case your guys' house starts stinking. They got some clothes stuff and baby stuff on sale. Nothing really fancy. More Easter things on sale. Like I said, a lot of this stuff is probably going to go on clearance after Halloween. So they do got some toys. It looks like they're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. So if you guys really need to get some stuff, you know, for the kids, and you just need to get out of the house, you know, because we don't know what we're in for. We have no idea what we're in for. Now here on the bottom, they got some soft soap. They are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. Now the smaller bottles are $1.99 and then they have the bigger bottles are $2.99. So if you guys do the smaller bottles, you guys would pay $5.96 for 4 of them. Then you guys would get 4,000 points. This is a deal you guys can do online if it's available. Comes out to be just $1.96 or 49 cents a piece. If you get the little bit bigger bottles, they're $2.99, so you guys buy 4 of them. Comes out to be $8.96, so you get 4,000 points. Comes out to be $4.96 or just $1.24. So I have a feeling the soap might be, it's everywhere is different, but you know, if you guys need some soap, definitely go ahead and get it when you can get a deal for it. Now, Rimmel is buy one, get one 50% off. It says there's going to be a 4 off a 2 coupon. I don't know if that's a Walgreens booklet coupon, but I do know there was some digital coupons on there, so you guys could probably get some deals. Then right here, they got Wet n Wild. Now it's 50% off. I just went on and looked at the like eyeshadow brush. Now they have some. It looks like they're showing like these might be on sale already. I'm not sure on that. But that brush might, it says you get 1,000 points for every time you buy 2. So I have a feeling those brushes might be flying off the shelf and that might be a really good deal. So it just depends. It varies per person, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up that some of that stuff might be on sale on Sunday. And if it is, it's going to fly off the shelf fast. Now they got Crest Toothpaste, 2 for $8. We are getting $1 off coupons, but it looks like there's going to be a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. When you guys buy 2, you get a $2 register reward. So I wouldn't do this deal at all unless you guys, you know, are brand specific and you really need toothpaste. It'd be an okay deal for the toothbrushes, but other than that, that is it. So 2 for $8, use the 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You guys would pay $5. You get the $2 register reward, making them $3 or just $1.50 a piece. It's an okay deal. We are getting coupons for this. Most likely there's going to be a printable coupon for the Arm & Hammer, but those are buy one, get one free. There says there's going to be a $1 off online coupon or in Sunday's papers. Now we got the Colgate. They're going to be $3.99. There's going to be a digital 5 off a 3 online coupon. you guys would end up paying $6.97, but then you get 5,000 points, comes out to be just $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece. So that is a deal that you guys can do in the store. I actually am thinking of doing an online deal and then seeing how long it takes to get and maybe showing you guys a haul, just so I can get some couponing in, you know, so there's that. They do have the Secret or Gillette, some more of the higher end deodorants. They're buy one get one 50% off. We are getting $2 off coupons in the P&G, plus it says online you get 3,000 points when you buy 3. The Dove deodorant is buy one get one 50% off. You get 3,000 points when you buy 3. So there's that. Gillette is buy one get one 50% off. We are getting coupons for that. When you spend 20, you get a $5 registry reward. Diapers are 2 for $18. You get a $5 registry reward when you spend $25 or more. Easy App's 2 for $18. You get $5 or 5,000 points when you buy 4. It's hard to say. I know we are getting $3 off coupons. So if there's deals online that you guys can do, this would be a deal to do online. But let's just keep on trucking. A lot of deals are, all the medicines are usually buy one get one free, or vitamins mostly buy one get one free or buy one get one 50% off. Ricola are going to be 2 for $5. We are getting $1 off a 2 coupon in the inserts that we're getting. Plus, it looks like there's going to be $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making it 2 for $3 or just $1.50 a piece. And then we're almost to the end. Just nothing really popping out with this stuff. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. That is the ad for the Walgreens ad. So there's some okay deals. I'm gonna definitely try to. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely try to find some deals for you guys to do online. But Wet n Wild, I think, is gonna be a hot item, possibly. We will see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all on Sunday. Bye bye.